Hello everybody, Dee here from Team GrunTea, and today we're going to show you how to brew a cup of turmeric chai latte. So, it's very easy. We have here the loose leaf tea into the pot. Here, the freshly grated ginger into the pot. Next, we're going to add the water, roughly a third of a cup of pre-boiled water into the pot. Then we're going to bring that to the boil for 2 minutes. Bubbling for 2 minutes. Okay, that is looking and smelling great. What I'm going to do next is add the milk, roughly 2/3 of a cup, into the mix. I'm going to bring that up to the heat of roughly 65 degrees. Okay, so we've reached our temperature there. I'm just going to turn the gas off, take out the thermi, put this out of the way, bring in the cup and strain it into the cup. Look at that creamy goodness. Let it do its thing. Okay, and there we have it. Turmeric chai latte, delicious. Hey team, I just wanted to let you know that while our turmeric chais are completely sugar-free, did you notice that we didn't add any sweetener? That's because Cocoa Quench is naturally sweet. Please add sweetener to your taste. So enjoy your creamy turmeric chai latte.